From this equation we are going to find x. Solution: x to the power of 2, x to the power of 3 equal to 36. X square minus x cube minus 36 equal to 0. X square x cube minus 9 minus 27 equal to 0. X square x cube 3 square minus 3 cube equal to 0. X square minus 3 square minus x cube 3 cube equal to 0. Therefore we know that a square minus b square equal to a minus b a plus b. A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. We are going to apply this here and this one here. X minus 3 x plus 3 minus x plus this one x plus 3 x square minus 3x plus 3 square equal to 0. Taking common x plus 3, x plus 3 open bracket x minus 3 minus x square 3x plus 3 square equal to 0. X plus 3 equal to 0. Same way we have x minus 3 minus x square plus 3x minus 9 equal to 0. This one and this one, this one and this one is 4x, and this one and this one is minus 12 and minus x square equal to 0. Minus x square plus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. Minus take out x square 4x plus 12 equal to 0. A equal to 1, comma b equal to minus 4, c equal to 12. X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now applying this value, minus b value plus or minus 4 square 4 into 1 into 2 2 into 1 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 48 by 2 equal to 4 plus or minus 32 square root by 2. Now 4 plus or minus square root of 32i and divided by 2. This is the one x, and the other one is x equal to minus 3. We have two answers.